Wiring fun time.
I think this antenna cable is plenty long.
Yeah, it's about 47 miles too long.
And this shit likes to do this.
Oh yeah, because it's coax. So we took and dressed up our HVAC control wiring and our MSD wiring, so it's not a CF. Wick's running everything up. That's going to end up going up there into that hook. Getting ready to mock up the dash.
Enough for that to get back to the antenna again.
Oh, look at that. We could run laps. That's cute. Did our power steering lines this morning. They look awesome. Got plenty of room?
Plenty of room. It actually could go on the back of the glove box, but it's probably better here, huh?
You want to put it on the heater box?
On this side right here?
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
There's plenty of room here, too.
You want to just mock that duct up just to play it safe? That AC plenum or whatever it is.
Let me take a look at it.
There's more room in there than I thought.
Yeah,
we were gonna
there's
have
a fair amount of room up in here, too. I think that comes down at a 90. They didn't open our holes up for us. This might be one. Can't remember. Once we pull this back out on the bench, probably open them up so we don't end up punching a bunch of holes trying to figure out which one to screw it in.